Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here again. So I'm going to talk about Epicure a little bit and basically why Tom and I had started using the Epicure products. Now, a full disclosure is that everything that you do purchase through my link, I do get a percentage from that, but I would never personally recommend something that I don't use myself and that I don't love. So that's just kind of what that's all about. So Tom and I actually started using Epicure by accident. A friend of mine was having one of those parties and I thought, hey, well, why not, show up to help to support her. And the consultant of Epicure made us like some chicken tacos, I think, something like that. She made us a yogurt like appetizer, and then we had other appetizers too, and she made us a dessert as well. And I was amazed how good everything tasted. The main thing though, I was amazed that she was able to cut up chicken, and Epicure sells these steamers, so they're amazing. So she was able to cut up the chicken, put the chicken in the steamer in the microwave for like 10 minutes. I believe it was 10 minutes, and it fully cooked the chicken. So if you want to eat healthy and eat healthy fast, which is probably like all of us, I was amazed. I pretty much ordered all of the steamers because I thought, okay, well, the smaller steamer I can use for broccoli because we try to have at least veggies with every meal. So the smaller steamer, we use that for broccoli, for pretty much veggies of any kind, like carrots, cauliflower. In 2 minutes, they're fully cooked. That's amazing. The medium-sized steamer we typically use for fish. I do heat tortilla shells up in there. It takes like 10 seconds and then they're nice and heated. And the larger steamer we use for larger things like chickens, meats. But meats, even potatoes are cooked within 5 minutes. So it's amazing. So fast, healthy cooking, pretty much, right? So Tom and I just quickly loved all of the products, all of the cookware, because we all have to buy herbs and spices from the stores to make our food taste good. But if you guys go to the store and look at the back, there's all of the extra chemicals basically in any spice that you purchase. You might be surprised. You might be thinking, well, if I purchase cinnamon, what else could be in cinnamon? Look at the back. It's horrible. There's things that I can't even pronounce. But if you go to Epicure and purchase cinnamon, that's the only thing in there is cinnamon. It says right on the back. If you purchase salt and pepper, that's the only thing in there, salt and pepper. We have a lot of no salt seasonings, which are extremely popular. We have a no salt seasoning where if you are so tempted to put salt and pepper on everything, we have something called like a red garlic shaker, which is supposed to be used in place of salt. It tastes amazing. You will not want extra salt again, and that helps so much for high blood pressure. So if you want to solve your issue of high blood pressure, if you want to lose weight, if you want to lower your cholesterol, if you have diabetes type 1 or 2, you need healthy eating. There's just so many options, right? If you feel tired all the time, you need a healthier eating option. So basically to cut out sugar or to limit it as much as possible, salt, and pretty much anything artificial. And the nice thing about Epicure, there's nothing artificial and there's no nuts. So if you have a nut allergy, if you know somebody who has a nut allergy, if you're preparing your kids' lunches and they're not allowed to bring nuts of any kind to school, you won't have a problem with that. So I wanted to show you guys around the website a little bit. So feel free to have a look and just look at the website. It's amazing. You will become hungry fast. So just to warn you, because everything looks so amazing. So if you guys go to andreatarowski.epicure.com, which I do have the link for you on the bottom, just look through all of these here. So I did click on cook to begin with. And the nice thing is you can look up recipes if you just have no idea kind of what to look up, like if you want breakfast, lunch, dinner, certain occasions, but if you're just not sure, just search the bottom here and there's new stuff here all the time. So even if you're so hungry but you don't know what to eat, you can search through and then go, oh, well, this looks pretty good. You can just click on that and then it tells you exactly how to make it, and it tells you if you need something too. So let's say this is something that you would like to make. This mix is amazing. I've put it on chicken, potatoes. I put it on fish as well. It just tastes so good. There's a little bit of spice to it, but hardly anything. So let's just say you do not have that. Click on that, and then it shows you exactly what's in it and how to purchase. So it's really, really easy. Let's say you just would like to know what Epicure is all about. Just click up here, and then you can read all of this. You can learn all about this, healthy eating lifestyle and how it's so much healthier to eat at home. But if you really aren't very creative, like I'm not, you might have a hard time doing that. Or your thinking of healthy eating is by eating, fruits and veggies all day, but you kind of have to make them taste good, right? So we have certain herbs, we have certain spices, and they're all healthy for you. And everybody has to eat, right? 3 times a day. So why not buy from Epicure, so you know what's in your herbs and spices? Like just as an example, let's say you guys were looking into herbs and spices, like I mentioned. Look at all of them that we have here. It's amazing, and it tells you exactly what's inside, so you don't have to wonder. No sugar, you guys. How amazing is that? So it tells you everything. And the steamers that I was talking to you guys about, let me just show you what those are. These are our most popular. They're amazing. So I have all 3 of them here. Usually people start off with the smallest one, like thinking about cooking their cauliflower, broccoli, like you could put anything in here. I have even baked a cake in here once. So amazing, right? So there you go. And then it tells you what it's all about, and then it gives you some more options. Our teas are very, very popular too because they're so healthy for you. So we have tons of those. Like I said, we have cookware, we have popcorn seasoning. I pretty much have a little bit of everything. So I do love all of this. If you wanted something for your yogurts to make them taste better with limited sugar, look at that. I mean, we have something called carrot cake. Okay, it tastes amazing. Chocolate truffle, who would say no to that, right? So it's so good. So feel free to have a look. Again, if you're looking to cook something, you can even look this way. Say you're looking to cook something quick, 15 minutes or less. Just click on that. Look at all of these amazing options. Like I'm getting hungry now, and I pretty much ate like a half an hour ago. So I'm starving because these all look so good. And in case you guys were wondering, we have desserts. So click on desserts and look at all of these healthier options. Okay, so this is so nice. If you guys have any questions, here, I'll stop sharing my screen. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Oh, wait, let me just quickly show you guys too. If you guys are in the US and you want to sign up for updates and free products. So I'm actually sending people free products who are kind enough to enter in their email here, because that will actually be sent to the Epicure system itself, because Epicure is coming to the USA early 2019. So you will be getting updates, pretty much any information, contact info, and if you guys have any questions, let me know. But if you sign up through here, I am actually sending people a free product. So a free product or products depending, so I will be offering prizes, all kinds of fun stuff, because healthy eating is my true passion, because I came from eating pizza and cheeseburgers and having horrible allergies. I can't even tell you, pretty much rashes all over the place. I did talk about that in a previous video a couple months ago, so if you guys would like to hear more about that, just let me know. But to being just so much healthier, but I'm not perfect either. So I'm not one to eat, fruits all day long, or healthy eating all day long. I still have a pizza every once in a while, but I do feel awful after having that pizza. So healthy eating has just helped me so much that I want to help other people too. And this makes it easy. And everything that you do sell, if you become a seller also, you make a 20% commission. So that's pretty good, right? By pretty much sharing and selling what you love anyway. Or if you're not interested in that, that's okay. Anything you do purchase from me, thank you so much, because I do get a small percentage off of that too. So just feel free to sign up here. If you're in USA, sign up here and then you can get some updates. So thank you guys so much for watching, and good luck, have fun. If you have any questions, please let me know anytime, and I'll see you guys in the next one.